backing up.
There's a forklift back there.
I won't hit that, that's for sure.
Yeah. So we're in Lufkin, Texas, and we're at Walmart to get my oil changed, because when we left Ohio it had 20% oil life, and now we're down to 5. So
It's time.
it's time.
We got up early for this.
Yeah, so I have to drop the Airstream by the loading dock, and then I can go around and get my oil changed.
So we are done with the oil change. It was probably the fastest oil change I've ever had at a Walmart, which we don't get them very often, trust us. At least at our Walmart.
Yeah, it was good. We went in and bought some stuff, some food, and then when we were done, the truck was done, waiting for us.
Yeah. So it worked out pretty good. Now we're back on the road. We are heading back south, and hopefully we're going to be at a campground. We're going to try to see if we can get in there. Of course, we haven't made reservations.
Yeah.
Or even called the place.
It's about 100 miles down there, just north of Houston.
Yeah. Just south of Conroe, north of Houston. So we'll be there shortly. There's the sign. Woodland Lakes RV Park.
This will be the shortest mileage day so far since we left. 275 miles.
Yep. Feels like we just got started. It feels weird that we're at a destination. We're staying here. I have a friend who lives in the Houston area. And she said that she knew some people who had stayed here. It's a pretty generic, decent place, quiet. So, doesn't need to be fancy is what I said.
Yeah, it's just a place to park.
Don't go fast. 9 7/8 miles per hour.
I guess I'll
Check via radar. Got it?
I got it. We got the back insight. She said a pull through is available, so as we drive by, we can look at it and see if we want the pull through.
Gotcha.
And she said once we decide, just give her a call and let her know which one we're in. So that's the pull through we got. So what do you think? You want the back end, or do you want the pull through?
I think I'll take the back end.
All right.
Well, we are all set up.
Yes, and I'm eating ice cream, so don't mind me.
He's earned a snack.
It's actually really nice that we're not moving.
It's different.
Yeah.
It's so early in the day. I'm not used to it.
It's 12. It's noon.
Yeah, it's noon.
And we're just sitting here, still, doing nothing, and it's great.
Yeah, our site is kind of nice. I like it. It's got a nice tree for shade.
Something that's different, though, is we're used to every campsite having a fire ring.
Yeah, there's
And
none.
once we came south, no fire rings. We're just not used to it.
Yeah, and it's like a lot of places they have them upon request, and some of them just say no.
No.
So right now we don't have any grass. It's just dirt, rock, and a little concrete patio. But hey, it's quiet. I've heard a thing since we got here.
Yeah, we did take the back insight, so we have a tree. And there's just a fence behind us.
Yeah, there's this fence over this way.
So rather than having like a road or traffic behind us or another RV, have a fence.
Yeah, so we're just hearing the birds chirp, and there's a breeze blowing, and it's pretty warm. It's probably in the low 90s or something. It's, you know,
Yeah.
humid. It's to be expected, and it's kind of nice because it's in the 60s, cold, windy and raining and storming at home.
In Ohio.
So I am just loving this right now.
Yeah.
No complaints.
Yeah, it's quiet here. It's really nice.
Yeah. We do have some friends gonna stop over. We're gonna do a little cookout, so we're pretty excited for that. It's kind of crazy that we have to come how many miles?
1,200.
1,200 miles to see to have a friend come over to our campsite that isn't family.
Yeah, I don't know if we'll get video of that or not. We'll see.
We'll see how they feel about it, if they want to be YouTube stars or not.
Yeah.
You know, whatever.
We're going to explore the campground a little bit, probably a little later on, and
Let the dogs chill out for a while.
yeah. Oh my god.
Hi.
All that, and he's not making any. He's making himself hotter. Yeah. And then
He's like, this is such hard work. Because I don't even know.
He's double pawing it.
No,
He's
he's just covering up what he just dug.
Yeah. Now Wolf is all like, really, guy?
Oh.
Poor Wolf.
Okay, so we're out here at Woodland Lakes RV Park, and we got creepers.
We've got creepers.
We've got creepers.
Well, technically, we kind of creeped on their home base. We're from Ohio. They're from the Houston area. Well, live in the Houston area.
Yes, they live in the area. They have a YouTube channel.
Wonder what's next?
Yep, wonder what's next on YouTube.
Go check them out, guys. They got some good stuff.
Yep, we've just been hanging out all day. We grilled out, made lunch, and showed off our trailer.
Yeah, had a
Yeah.
really good time. It was really great meeting other people. I mean, that's kind of one of the things we really enjoy doing is getting out there and meeting some of you guys.
Yeah, we were hanging out with the gang here. It's fantastic. Great group of guys here. So if you ever get a chance to meet up with them, I highly suggest you do.
Yeah, and meet up with the dogs.
Yes, the dogs as well.
I'm pretty sure most people come to see us because of the dogs.
Yes.
They're
That's-
famous.
They
Yes.
are famous.
Guy has a right itchy ear that's itchy.
Yes,
So you
he
know.
does. I gotta clean it. And he likes to dig. He's looking for grass.
There he is again.
There we go.
He goes.
Wish we had our trailer here with you guys, but unfortunately we didn't get to bring it out. But I'm glad we got to come out and hang out with you guys and meet you in person.
Yeah, they've got some trailer issues going on. They're trying to get sorted out still.
Yeah. Luckily Jake will pick it back up in October and help us straighten that out.
Guy's digging in the dirt again. Again.
Your food's covered.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think he's trying to bury you.
It's like being at the beach.
He's like, hey, what's going on?
Yeah, he's digging, but he's not digging very
Guys.
far. Oh, that's all.
Look at what you're doing.
That's fantastic.
Thanks, guys.
And then he's gonna look at the water all like, oh, guys, what happened?
That is funny.
All right, we'll let you guys get out of here.
Yeah, unfortunately we gotta head back. But it was great hanging out with you guys again. I really appreciate you inviting us out here.
Yeah,
Glad you
it
could
was
make
great.
out.
I really enjoyed it.
Hopefully we get to meet up again
I'm hoping
sometime
so.
soon. Hope everything goes well with the house sale.
Yeah.
You guys get
Same-
on the road full
same
time
for
as
you
quickly
guys.
as possible.
Let's get out there.
It was a good day today.
It was a really good day.
Had people come over and visit and walk the dogs.
Yeah, we cooked out on our little grill and had a few adult beverages and just had really great conversation with everyone.
Yeah,
It was nice.
I have no complaints. It was hot today.
Yeah, but it wasn't like unbearable.
Yeah, it was like 93 degrees. I wear my blue jeans and boots just as every other day.
Yeah, well, he does sometimes wear shorts, so.
But Lynn got all bit up from mosquitoes.
Yeah, like all my legs are covered in mosquito bites. I didn't even feel them happening, but they're there.
She's covered in bites. So tomorrow we're going to pack up and head out.
South.
Yeah, we can still go south, so I think we're gonna go south.
Yeah, and so far we're really enjoying this trip. It's been just kind of fly by the handle, and it's worked out pretty well.
Overall, I I like this park.
Yeah, I do like this part.
It's quiet. It's a lot of seasonals.
Or like long term, maybe not seasonal, but like maybe weekly or monthly type deals.
They got 2 ponds. They got a laundry room, building.
Yeah.
They got a clubhouse. They don't have a pool.
No, they don't have anything like that. But I mean, that would be helpful.
Yeah, and the rate here, so you got a 50 amp full hookup back in, and it was 54 with a Good Sam discount.
Yeah, it's a little pricey, but it's comparable to everything else in the area, so you have to take that into consideration.
There was no price difference between back in or pull through.
Yeah,
the back in sites I feel are bigger, so.
And I really like this site because, like I mentioned before, it's got the tree.
Yeah,
it's kept it really comfortable here.
Yeah, the weather's been really good.
Hoping it stays that way for us.
Yeah.
We've been running from it from Ohio, so it's
Goes somebody running their dogs.
like little wiener dogs. Full blast. It's kind of impressive. But
we are going to jump off of here and call it a day.
Yeah, we're gonna call it a day. We are pretty tired. We got up at 4.
Yeah.
So we've had a pretty good, long, successful day, and we're ready for some rest and to do it all over again.
Yeah, we're gonna see what tomorrow brings.
So we'll talk to you guys later. Well, we are out of here.
Yes, gonna go find a new place.
New place, new adventure.
So we're getting all set up, but I have a problem. I pulled that panel off, found the wiring, started pulling it out, and didn't see any problems there.